Hello, everyone. I will be taking you on e-business and website. E-business is simply any form of business transaction in which the parties interact electronically rather than by physical exchange or direct physical contact. E means electronic. So we see e-commerce or e-business used interchangeably most times. Electronic commerce or e-commerce refers to a wide range of online business activities for products and services. Types of e-business. There are three main types of e-business. One, business to customer, B2C, business to business, B to B, and business to government, B to G. Business to customer, what does it mean? Business to customer is the exchange of information and product or services taking place between a business and a customer over the internet. This is the most widely recognized form of e-business. An example of B2C, that is business to customer, only website is Amazon.com, or you can also refer to Kunga.com. Number two, business to business. Business to business allows trading to take place between businesses using a low cost sales channel for the sales of goods and services, and it is responsible for the constantly changing corporate buying habit. An example of a B2B site would be a car part company selling parts to a car dealership, another company, rather than them directly selling to customers. Number three is business to government, that is B2G. B2G is the online exchange of information and transaction between businesses and government agencies. Also known as e-government. B2G allows government agencies and businesses to use electronic means to conduct business and interact with each other over the internet. An example of B2G site would be one that offers electronic tax filing. All right. Now, importance of e-business. One, it reduces cost. Two, it boosts marketing. Company using e-business can have a wider online presence. Three, it improves communication. Adoption of e-business has improved communication in the business industry. Four, it increases revenue. Now, let's explain the meaning of website. A website, or simply a site, is a collection of related web pages, including multimedia contents, typically identified with a common domain name and published on at least one web server. A website may be accessible via a public internet protocol, that is IP network, such as the internet, or a private local network, by referring a uniform resource locator, that is the URL, that identifies the site. Usefulness of websites to a business. One, it helps small businesses gain credibility. Two, a website saves you money you were otherwise supposed to use for newspaper ads and promoting your business. Three, it will enable you to keep your customers informed. Four, it is always accessible. A website is available to both your regular and potential customers 24 hours, 7 days a week, and 365 days a year. Five, a website makes it possible to target a wider market. Six, it provides a medium on which to showcase your work. Seven, a website saves you time. Eight, it improves customer service by including a frequently asked page, allowing feedback, and so on and so forth. Thank you for listening.